We are here. We are live back on the Engineering Robo channel. Going to be using Engineering Robo here in the economy, coins, companies, and commodities, all in today's stream. So let's do the transition here. Boom. We are here looking at Bitcoin interacting dramatically with my levels. Would appear down below, support waiting for us, a technical level we've been considering for some time, $18,860 per Bitcoin. After consolidating along psychological level 19,800 roughly, that is 2017 all-time highs. We've been hypothesizing a break downward here toward my support level, which we have ever so delicately interacted with, only going a few $100s beneath it, and then pumping ever so dramatically upward now into resistance waiting for us. $21,815 overhead was where you could have potentially capitalized on this price action, buying at my $18,800 support level and selling at my $21,800 resistance level would have allowed you to capitalize on $3,000 to the upside. But going with the flows of our robos here, it would appear now with this most recent abrupt change in momentum, the sell 4 has returned. And so slightly unsightly at the moment, would be unfortunate if a second robo were to enter a bearish state. That would then suggest reducing your positions accordingly and waiting for potential support elsewhere. With only one of our bearish robos present, we can still remain invested into Bitcoin previously until the second bearish robo enters the area here. So we always go with the flows of our robos. Bullish robos that attempted to print during a phase of sideways, we can see price action, bullish confirmations with the very dramatic sort of upswing here with this large green candle, though price action immediately returned to pretty much the bottom of that candle that confirmed these previous robos. So that is a possibility that we have to keep in mind as well. But right now, we always just wait for the confirmations during this highly volatile situation. But this has been Bitcoin. Looking at Ethereum, we have adjusted some of these levels. Watch out for $1,687 overhead as resistance still. Down below, though, $1,419 per Ethereum is newly visualized support waiting for us if we were to continue our way downward here with one of our chosen 3 robos in a bullish state at the moment. That is nice to see, though we need 2 of our chosen 3 becoming bullish for us to begin accumulating accordingly. What are the odds? XLM, very close to resistance overhead, would appear returning downward here toward the bottom of that confirmation candle. So resistance overhead in 11 cents, 0.1185. They're still plaguing us, menacing us, doesn't like us whatsoever. We've been rejected sort of away from it, now returning downward here toward local support forming. I mean, I guess we can visualize perhaps this little box here. Maybe this could be a little mini hypothetical, metaphorical hope fairy tale land magical support level forming within 10 cents. So they'll watch out for 8 cents is down below, a far more significant horizontal level to consider. So XRP experiencing a rejection off of dashed overhead downtrend line. The buy 4 coming into play, printing on the 12th of September. One of our chosen 3 robos entering a bullish state. Nice to see, though we are waiting for further confirmations still. 30 cents down below, which was support back in June of last year, still waiting for us if we were to continue our way downward. 25 cents is going to be the stronger horizontal level to consider. Looking at Litecoin, so with all 3 of our chosen robos in a bullish state, you can heavily consider investing your 50% Engineering Robo based investment ratio. Engineering Robo members know, however, to consider other factors before jumping in. We always consider Bitcoin's price action as well. You may want to perhaps consider prices getting above $60.47 before sort of jumping in. A lower price may present itself here. A better area for accumulation may present itself before we make our way upward. We do have to consider, though, with all three of our robos in a bullish state, upside is to be considered here. So looking at Cardano, interacting ever so beautifully and nicely and delicately with my 46-cent support level. You've been suggested to accumulate along it accordingly. 20% is invested at support, 50% based on bullish confirmations here from EngineeringRobo, and once I determine what robos I want, I will be able to more accurately use them. Now, 46 cents is our technical support level still until daily candles open and close beneath it. If we get beneath it and make our way downward, 34 cents is waiting for us as our next support level. We need one more bullish robo here to come into play. We need the buy for to hold, and then hopefully that super buy or golden cross can return for us to begin investing back into Cardano more comfortably and confidently here from a technical analysis perspective. Okay, the S&P 500 index, 55.25% in gains between May of 2020 into December of 2021 for EngineeringRobo members. The Dow and also Jones, 36.66% in gains between 2020 and 2022 for EngineeringRobo members trading the Dow Jones, and 14.25% in downside we've been saved from since bearish robos have been confirmed. So the DXY continuing to make gains here, it would appear, ever since bullish confirmations back in August of 2021. EngineeringRobo members have been able to experience 19.65% in upside so far, and are still awaiting bearish confirmations here to sell. Watch out for resistance potentially waiting for us up near 119, though down below 103 is potentially support. So you've already been investing accordingly with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions back in July of last year here. So getting in at the moment would be slightly high risk. We have gold still getting smacked around by my dashed down trend line overhead, looking for support down below $1,680 per ounce of gold, I believe, is down there as support. EngineeringRobo members trading gold between December of 2018 into August of 2020 experienced 62% return on their investment using EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. Platinum, palladium, this is silver. This is the combination of robos that were confirmed that allowed you to experience 271% in upside on natural gas. This is copper. This is uranium. Anyway, corn, I guess. This is corn. EngineeringRobo members were able to invest in sugar. July of 2020, experienced 65% in upside before EngineeringRobo recently suggested you capitalize on your investment with 52% ROI, with EngineeringRobo's bullish and now bearish suggestions in play ever since July here of this year. But we've taken a look at a whole lot. We started off with Bitcoin. We've done Ethereum. We've done Cardano, Litecoin, XRP, XLM. We've done the S&P 500, Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. We've done the DXY, gold, silver, palladium, platinum, natural gas, copper, uranium, corn, and now sugar. We're all over the place. Maybe we can do some market overviews. The stock market here. Go to the crypto market though. You see a whole lot more volatility. But we'll finish it off with a quick look at commodities here. It would appear last time we saw this, everything was in the green, though red is to be seen. So that has been coins, companies, and commodities here, it would appear. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know down below anything you'd like to see in upcoming streams or videos. Sign up for EngineeringRobo with the Links in the description. Sign up for a free trial today. Engineering Robo is a true AI robo advisor, a simple approach to successful investing. Engineering Robo tells you when to buy and when to sell. It's that simple. Try it out for free. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for being a part of the stream. We hope to see you in the next one. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and tune in for the next one.